Alright, in this first lesson, we're going to go ahead and set up our background and our emitting plane geometry so we can go ahead and render our product. And as you can see, we have in our scene, which is a glass jar and some jelly beans just stacked inside it. All I did to create the jelly bean geometry was just use a simple polygon sphere and then just scaled them in the direction of X, and then just moved some verts in the middle down a bit, and then duplicated that one geometry around a NURB circle. I think it's either 30 or 35 times, and then I just duplicated that up. So let's go ahead and move this back into place here. Now all I'm going to do is just select all of this and come over here to the create layer and assign selected objects to that layer so that we can go ahead and template everything so that it's not going to be selectable. And then I'm just going to come up here to our polygon shelf and create a polygon cylinder and just say that's probably about big enough. Scale it up a little bit, come over here to the attributes for it and type in 12. Now we're going to delete the top here and the bottom, and then rotate this and say 90 degrees, and then another 90 degrees. And then we're going to go ahead and delete half, a good half, and then this one, so it looks like this. Then what I want to do is go ahead and bring this up, move this back to say right about there. That should be good. Select the edge here, just hit extrude and extrude this out so it'll give us enough room. Then select the object, scale it next, which should be good enough, but let's go ahead and move this back a little more. Now what I'm doing is just visualizing where I'm probably going to put the camera, so we got to scale this a bit more. Okay, that's good. Move this just a little bit more. So there, that's good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clear all the history, freeze the transformation, and center the pivot on our object. Hit 3 on it so we can get a smooth preview of it here. Delete that face, and I'm just going to extrude this edge straight up. That's fine with me. Okay, just select it and go over to the Modify tab, Convert Smooth Mesh to Preview Polygons. This will smooth our polygon, or you could just go into, at a mesh and hit smooth, but I tend to like to use the Edit Convert method as it'll smooth it a little better. And there you go, we pretty much have our background set up here, and now we're just going to go ahead and move this up so that it pretty much touches the bottom of our jar, and there we go. Let's just go ahead and select this for the final and rename it as our background. Spelled that wrong. Background. And then there you go, we have our background for our product to go ahead and be rendered.